Hello everyone, this is Yashika Bishnoi from Alakriti with Anna, and today I come up with a small remedy on bay leaves. So what you need is you need 4 bay leaf. It should not be broken, it should not be cut, it should be full like this. See, there's no breakage in this. So on Monday you have to do this remedy. Monday is a day of moon. So what remedies we can do is related to moon. So what you need to do is you have to burn the bay leaves. But is it we have to burn like that? No, we have to write some affirmation, a good word on this. So what you need to do is we can do this bay leaf remedy for moon blessings, to upgrade your lifestyle, for the victory, for success. So I am going to do this bay leaf ritual today for success. So what you need to do is you have to take a green color marker or a pen. Then you have to write success. Like this. Just write success like this on 4 bay leaves. Or what you can do is you can write victory also on one, you can write moon blessings on one, or you can write upgradation of my lifestyle, but I am doing for success. So here this is the 4th bay leaf, we are writing success on this also. Now after writing on 4 of the bay leaves, what we need to do is we have to take it in our hand, put your other palm on this and just do meditation for some time. Universe, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please bless me with the success. Now imagine that success is coming to you. How you can imagine? You can imagine more and more paid clients coming to you. If you have a shop, more paid clients are coming to your shop. They are giving you money. So I am getting more and more paid clients. Now after doing meditation, what you need to do is you have to simply burn it with the candle. Or what you can do is you can burn it on the gas stove. Like this, it will get burned. And the ashes, what you need to do is you have to blow out the ashes outside the window. Like you have to blow it towards the universe. Okay, you don't hold with the bare hand because I'm doing with the candle. So these are the ashes which I will collect later. I will burn one by one later. Now the second remedy, what we need to do is this is nutmeg. We call in Hindi jaifal. You have to take a jaifal and every Monday, if it's possible, do it every day, but every Monday especially, hold it in a tongue like this and burn it and chant Endora Wallacea. It's Endora. Wallacea is Vallasia. It's Wallacea Endora. You have to chant Wallacea Endora. Write both the words. Endora is Endora. Wallacea is Vallasia. So you have to chant Wallacea Endora. Wallacea Endora. Well, I think with the candle it burn or it may not burn. I'm just doubt because first time I'm burning on the candle. Yes, it's burning. So like this you have to burn nutmeg. This will increase your finances. It will boost up your finances. And do this remedy every Monday. And don't forget to share the results. The credit will go to the main source. So just stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you all.